This is Kevin the Afterpreneur. Welcome to my vlog and media channel, and today we are doing an unboxing of what is one of the greatest films ever made. This is one of my personal favorite movies, and even though there are a lot of horror movies out there, very few of them actually compare to this one, and we're talking about Jaws. And yes, before anyone says something, it's not exactly common knowledge, but Jaws is technically considered a horror movie because Jaws is about the fear of what can kill you in the water. I know some people laugh about that, but think about it. Friday the 13th, guy going around to kill people. Halloween, Michael Myers going around killing people. A lot of horror movies about a demon or a monster going around and killing a lot of people before in return being killed. That's Jaws. That's Jaws. It just happens to be a much better movie than, well, maybe not Halloween and Friday the 13th, but it's better than so many horror movies because of how it was made, the care taken to it, and really during this whole pandemic thing, it's actually almost more relevant as it features a mayor who is kind of torn between knowing he should do the right thing and close the beaches and kill the shark, but then if you close the beaches and you just let the shark go away, because basically, think about it. Jaws is where an animal comes to a little beach town. It won't go away because there's a lot of things to eat. So the best way to get rid of the shark, ideally, is to cut off its food supply and hope that it goes away. But if you do that, you're talking about businesses that are going to suffer and someone's going to go hungry. Very much like a similar dilemma to what's going on right now. Well, anyway, not to get too political. Let's get back to the movie. So, Jaws has been re-released several times. I have bought this movie several times. I have like a digibook of it and, everything like that. And now it's in an Ultra HD 4K release. And I don't rebuy everything in Ultra HD. I just have too many movies to do that. But personal favorites like this one, you bet I'm going to rebuy it. And also, movies that have nice packaging like this, look, I don't know if you look at, I don't know how it shows, but this has like a nice little holographic cover right there. I'm kind of missing the naked woman, of course. But, so let's kind of take this open and let's just see what the whole thing, because this seems to have some nice little goodies in there. So let's open this up, and first of all, let's take this away. Although on the back it promises an Ultra HD disc, a Blu-ray, and a digital code. Interestingly, the naked woman is on the back, so I guess this was a compromise. No one wants to put this woman on the front anymore, so instead they covered it up at the store. Very humorous. All right, now you take out the disc, and the disc has the shark eating the logo, and the back looks very similar. When you open this up, you have the digital code. However, I am not going to show you what the digital code is because I am going to redeem that. And it looks like you get the same Blu-ray from the Digipack as well as the new 4K Ultra HD. Now what this also has is this has a nice little picture book, and there's some little tidbits in there about the novel, the director, the actors, some of which who are unfortunately no longer with us. I haven't looked at my digibook copy in a while. I like the storyboards, by the way, and like the monologue in the script. I haven't looked at the digibook in a while, but so I can't say if it's very similar to what's in here, but either way, it's nice to have. I probably won't get rid of the digibook because that just looks nice on the shelf. And so, put it back, and let's put that there. And there you go. Jaws in Ultra HD 4K. This is going to look very nice on the shelf, and I cannot wait to rewatch this. This is one of the few movies that I've watched multiple times. Like, I've definitely seen this movie more than 10 times. I can't say that about too many movies, but I've definitely watched this one more than 10 times, and I will look forward to watching it another 10 times, hopefully in the best quality possible. So anyway, I'd like to know, do any of you have this, and what do you think about it? Is it a great purchase for you? I'd love to know. Comment below, like, favorite, share, subscribe, and as always, flame responsibly. Have a good one.